In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Jotform tables. We'll go through each step methodically to ensure an easy, seamless process for getting your data integrated smoothly. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser and searching for Jotform. Once you've hit enter, click the official Jotform website and you'll find yourself on their homepage. If you already have an account with Jotform, this is a great time to log in. But if you're new to the platform, go ahead and sign up. It's a quick and straightforward process, and once you're done, log in to get started. Once inside your Jotform account, you'll want to navigate directly to My Tables. This is where you can manage all your databases and tables effectively. Next, to create a fresh table where your Excel data will live, click on Create Table. From the options provided, choose Import Data to begin preparing your file for integration. Here's a helpful tip. If you're not looking to make a new table, but instead prefer to slot your data into an existing one, you can easily do that as well. Simply access the existing table you wish to update. Click on New tab, and then choose Tables, followed by Import Data. This way, you'll be adding new data to an existing setup without having to start from scratch. After you've chosen where your data will go, the next step is to select Upload File. From here, you'll choose the Excel or CSV file from your computer that you'd like to import. Make sure it's either an XLS, XLSX, or CSV format, as these are the supported file types Jotform easily works with. Now here comes a critical part of the process. If your Excel file's first row contains column names, be sure to enable the option that indicates this. Why is this important, you ask? Well, when this setting is activated, Jotform will automatically map your data to the correct headers, saving you time and potential hassle if the import isn't quite right. With the data mapped, take a moment to review the automatically detected column types. Jotform does its best to guess if certain data should be categorized as a number, short text, date, or otherwise. However, it may not always get it right. If needed, go ahead and manually tweak these to correspond accurately with your data. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, click on Import Data. If you're in the process of establishing a brand new table, you might see an option to click Create instead. This step initiates the data import, cementing your entry into the Jotform system. And there you have it. Your Excel data is now nicely integrated into Jotform tables. Feel free to explore the additional features Jotform tables offer as you settle in. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!